I've been robbed. I was ahead in the count. To prevent me gathering proof, police took everything away from us and arrested my polling agents.
Some other PTI-backed candidates have gathered documents which appear to show they won their seats when they were declared to have lost them. As the crowd crossed the road towards the office of the returning officer, the police suddenly move in. They detain a number of protesters. The state, it seems, is in no mood for compromise. Police even punctured the tires of one supporter's car.
That police charge just came out of nowhere, and now the protesters have completely disappeared.